Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody? I hope all is well with you. Before we get started, guys, go ahead and do me a favor. Click that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for checking out the video. I'm back with the 10X income system once again. All right, you've been hearing the buzz about this new program. It's been out about a month now. They've already paid out $100,000 in commissions. Okay, so people are jumping in. People are taking advantage of the system because it's an attractive offer, basically. Okay, most of you know I am an affiliate marketer. I actually promote other people's products. That's what affiliate marketing is. And in turn, when you promote other people's products, and if someone purchases the product from your link, you make a commission. That's affiliate marketing, pretty much. Okay. So here we have a reseller program that allows you to make $297 commissions every time you sell this system. Okay. Now, what sets this apart and is different from anything that I promote is, of course, it's still a product. It is still a system. The difference here is you don't have to go out and do your own marketing. Typically, you have to go do the marketing yourself. You have to go find the traffic sources, okay, and do everything yourself when it pertains to marketing. With this, they've included the marketing piece of it, okay. So that takes the challenge away from most of the new people out here, or people that just maybe don't have time to market, or they don't want to go through the learning curve of how to market, because it is a skill. Okay, so this will include the marketing. Okay, done for you marketing, done for you system. They're going to set the system up for you, and then they're going to do the marketing for you. And for the price point to get started is $297. Okay, for the system. And then you'll have to pay for your website, which is $19.95 a month. Okay, but it's a small price to pay to be able to receive $297 commissions, I think, and then have someone do the marketing for you. Now, the difference in the marketing with this is not solo ads. It's not your typical marketing. This is Google Ads. Okay, the CEO of the company has a marketing advertising company, and what she's going to be doing is using her resources to do Google Ads for all of us. And what happens is our links, our affiliate links, are going to be in rotation. Okay, it's going to be in a rotator, and when the ads are placed on Google, when people go out and do their searches, because that's what people do when they're looking for things, right? We all do. So when people go out and search for our niche, make money online, work from home, all the different specific keywords, she's a expert guru in SEO marketing. Okay, so that's going to allow us to get real-time traffic, real-time visitors, because people are searching for what we have to offer. We're not chasing them down. We're not sending any emails. Okay, the way this marketing is done, it's all through Google Ads. Okay, so that's what's going to make it, make your system have more visibility, because you're going to get way more visitors in a Google search than you would typically with any solo type of advertising. All right, so everything is included. However, now the traffic source is under this umbrella, because it's an all-in-one system. The traffic source is in the under the umbrella. However, you're going to pay for your traffic separately, just like you would if you bought any other program out here. You buy the program, and then they refer you to a third-party vendor to buy your traffic. The difference is your traffic is going to stay within the system. You're going to be ordering from the company. Okay, so in other words, someone asked, well, the $297, does it include the traffic? No, it does not include the traffic. So there are 3 packages. It used to be 4, it's 3 now. So I'm going to go over those with you real quick. I'm going to show you guys some more results that I have received and some more from the team in our Facebook group. Okay, so let's go take a look. Let me show you the packages so you'll know what you're looking at. You're going to have to spend to get started. All right. Before we get to that, I want to go over these things right here. I just talked about this one, but I want to cover this real quick. Okay, let's cover this real quick. So these were some questions that were asked about the sales. There is no guarantee of sales in any program you join, okay? What we offer you is the opportunity, and it's your efforts. It's going to take your efforts, okay, to make this work. Of course, with this system, you have the marketing done for you, so you have a better chance at getting sales than you probably would on your own, okay? So what we're saying is nobody's guaranteeing any sales. What we're saying is typically you have to go out and do your own marketing. This is going to help you with that. You no longer have to do that if you choose not to, because the marketing is included. All you need to do is purchase your traffic package, okay? So I want to clarify that. Then someone asked, which I just gave you the answer to, the traffic packages aren't included in the $297 cost, okay? So that's in addition to, which you would normally pay anyway when you join a program, okay? So I'm going to go over the packages in a minute. But the other question was, is this a global opportunity? It is a global opportunity, so you can sign up for this opportunity anywhere in the world as long as you can accept PayPal or Stripe. You are good to go. You can join, okay? So I want to get that out the way. Now, let me show you the traffic packages. Very reasonable. Okay, traffic packages. First package is $60, guys. That's very reasonable. $60 will get you two links in the ad rotator. Okay, that's 5,000 visitors. The $110 package will get you four links in an ad. Okay, in the rotator, and that's 10,000 visitors. The $200 traffic package gets you 8 links in the ad rotator, 20,000 visitors. Okay. So you'll be looking at your $297 plus your $19.95 for your website. You're going to spend $19.95 every month, okay, for the website. And then you're going to pick your traffic package. Okay, that's all you're going to need to get started. Now, of course, if you're like myself, I'm going to share it because this is what I do anyway. Okay, so if you don't mind, I say the more exposure, the better. Just simply making a post somewhere. We have some different pictures that you can get made. Okay, I think I showed you guys mine, and you can post these different places on social media. Okay, and it will get people's attention. Some folks are running classified ads. We have that in the back office too. She gives you also a free bonus where you can advertise for free. Okay. But the done for you system will do the marketing, but it's not going to hurt to just share it with people because you don't know who may be interested. You just give them your link. Let me show you this website here real quick, and I'm going to show you some more results as well as some team results. Okay, so this is the website you're going to be getting. Let's move this out the way. Okay. And this video does all the selling and telling. It's 9-minute video. Okay. This is your website all the way down. Okay. You'll get this created. We all have our own website that's coded to us, but it looks just like this. Okay. All right. And it converts very well. Okay. So let me show you some results. Okay. Another sale came in today. Okay, this is what it looks like when it comes in. Okay, as you can see, the 2 I had on the 20th. Let me move this. 2 came in on the 20th, and then 1 came in at 6:06. Okay, so simply sharing this opportunity. All right, this is organic traffic right now. My traffic package hasn't even kicked in yet, so just imagine when that kicks in. That's just going to get more visibility to my link. All right. Okay, as you can see, I'm in my back office. That's me right here. So I just wanted to show you this real quick. When you sign up, you're going to automatically receive an email with your login information, and you're going to log in, and you're going to go here to the left, and it says how to set up your system. You're going to click there, watch the video. and you're going to decide which one of these payment processors you're going to use, Stripe or PayPal. Whichever one you select, or both, just click on it and watch the video to tell you what's needed from there that you're going to need to submit to the company so that they can link your website to your payment processor, okay? And then you're going to receive an email. After that, an email will come with your affiliate link. You're not going to get your affiliate link immediately when you sign up, okay? There is a time frame on that. Looks like the time is getting better because we're caught up. We're getting caught up now. But it's going to be, it may be a few days before you get your referral link. Once you get your referral link, you come back in here and you click traffic, okay? You're going to click traffic. You're going to go here and you're going to buy your traffic. And you're going to give them your link. You're going to hit submit and you're done. And now they go to work for you. But right here is what I want to show you where it says free traffic strategy bonus. Click there and there's a free strategy in there that she gives you that you can use to post free ads. Okay? Alright, so let's go take a look at the Facebook group and see what other people are doing. Alright, I'm going to go just with a few of these so you can see this. Congratulations to Lauren. It says right here she got her first organic sale. Organic means that she shared the opportunity. She shared her link, her website with some folks, she says right here on TikTok. And she got her first sale. Just sharing it on TikTok, guys. Okay. So let's go down. Let's look at some more here. Okay, that was mine earlier today. Here's somebody that said they got a sale. Right here. And she says, I just signed up on 9/8. Already got my investment back. Okay. So congratulations to Sanya on that. Okay, let's keep going. Look, here's somebody watching my show, All American, and another payment notification from Traffic. The marketing advertising got her a sale while she was watching TV. Okay, $2.97. Okay, so that's me. Okay, here's somebody just sitting here watching my murder mystery shows, enjoying my day off. Day off, that means she's working, right? So she's working, and she enjoying her day off, and she got a notification where she got paid right here. Shows $2.97. Okay, so people are making money with the program. $900 in organic sales. That means that they shared it, and then they got sales just from sharing it. Okay, so people are getting paid from the organic traffic for them doing, just sharing it, and they're getting paid from the traffic as well. Okay, so this definitely, the system does pay off. All right, so with that being said, you definitely want to at least go take a look at this. Go check my site out. I would love to get started working with you with this. www.besteasyworkincome.com. Okay, and you will see I've got this set up right now where it goes straight to this page, and you can watch this 9-minute video that will explain everything. All right, guys, so look forward to working with you. Look forward to seeing you on the inside of this system. And for my folks that asked me about a postcard, I had people reach out to me that signed up already, and then one gentleman said, hey, I'm signing up with you, but I was curious, would you make a postcard? So we're going to have that for my people that love postcards like I do. Okay, so we got more to come for you guys. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. See you guys on the next video. Be safe out there. Have a blessed day.